We have an ambitious aim to be the most sustainable cricket stadium in the UK. Energy efficiency and how much we use is obviously a key part of that. My name's Craig Flittle, I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Edgbaston. Haven Power are our electricity supplier and partner and have been since the 1st of October 2018. I don't think we look for a supplier, we look for a partner. Somebody's obviously going to deliver an efficient service for us, but somebody's going to work together for the benefit of both parties. Amber Energy have been our energy broker since 2012, so they introduced us to Haven Power.
With Haven Power, Amber and Edgbaston working together, we're going to be able to look at lots of solutions, and Edgbaston have got ambitions that exceed 2024, where they're looking at how they can do things from the grassroots rather than doing it in a retrofit space. By understanding their needs and requirements now, we're going to be best placed to be able to implement them quickly to get maximum effectiveness to help them achieve their objectives. The way in which we can do that is we run Accelerator Workshops, which are essentially a gateway into our energy services offering. That allows us to fully understand Edgbaston's plans, goals, needs and requirements, and then we come together to look at long-term solutions.
I would certainly recommend that other energy consumers take part in the Accelerator Workshop. We found it really helpful to share our ambitions with the ambitions of Haven Power, and we've got some really interesting ideas and actions coming out of that workshop which we're going to take forward. I've already spent more time talking about working together than I have done with any supplier during my 8.5 years here at Edgbaston.
Haven Power and Edgbaston were introduced by Amber Energy. Edgbaston were looking for an energy supplier, but actually more than an energy supplier, they were looking for an energy partner. Amber understood Haven and what we stand for, and it was a natural partnership.
Our mission statement as a cricket club is to be the best cricket business in the world, and therefore we're setting similar goals in all our other areas. I would recommend Haven Power for other similar businesses if you want a true partner rather than just a plain vanilla supplier.